Welcome to Programming ABC. Now I'll show how to use select case statement. Dim grade as char, console right line your grade console read line. Here start select case statement. Select grade case E, console right line excellent. Case B, comma C, console right line well done. Case D, console right line passed. Case F, console right line fail. Case else, console right line invalid grades. Compile. Your grade. I write E excellent. Press any key to exit. I write here F fail. Press any key to exit. It is working. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.